Hello lovely friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Let's be friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see what is cooking on this channel. Today I'm going to share this healthy brown rice risotto with you guys. I'm using about 1 cup of whole grain brown rice, and these are the nutritional values. It tastes just as amazing as white rice and has a lot of benefits, as you can see here displayed on the screen. Then I'm going to go ahead and wash the rice for a couple of times to make sure all the dirt in the rice is completely gone. So I'm going to drain the water off, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some extra virgin olive oil to my saucepan here, and I will fry the rice until there is no more moisture. What this is doing is to make sure that the rice is cooked evenly after I add the water, and also to make sure that the rice is not mushy outside while the inside is still not cooked. Okay, so I am just going to keep stirring constantly to make sure that each and every layer is frying, and I have also added some salt to taste. And now guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my stock. I'm adding meat stock. You can add vegetable stock if you're looking for a more vegan or a vegetarian kind of risotto. And I will let it cook for about 40 minutes or until it's creamy. Another thing is the rice needs a lot of water, so I will be going in to add more water as required. And I started off on a medium heat, but then I lowered the heat so it can nicely cook slowly and beautifully. And as you can tell from here, I am also prepping my vegetables separately. You can use whichever vegetable you have. I will be using carrot and peas. I've just fried my onion and garlic for about 2 minutes, and I'm adding the carrot inside. I'm going to saute that for a few minutes. Then I'm going to go in and add my peas. And guys, I forgot to mention my chicken stock is fully flavored. It's got a lot of amazing flavors in there. Therefore, I do not need to add too much spices or seasoning to my risotto. Therefore guys, please go ahead and add your favorite herbs. You can add basil, parsley, rosemary, or whichever you prefer, and also season with some pepper, salt, and some stock as you wish. And I've just seasoned my vegetables with some salt, black pepper, and chili flakes, which is optional. You can also go ahead and add cheese or nutritional yeast to your risotto, but I'm not adding any of that. And my rice is beautifully cooked, creamy, and soft, not too chewy inside. It's just perfect texture that I am looking for. So depending on how you want it, make sure you keep an eye and you monitor your rice. I have added my vegetables here. You can add more stock or water. I am going to go ahead and add some water here. Okay, and I don't need to adjust my taste by adding any salt or pepper or whatever. This risotto right here is just perfect, and it has everything just the right way I want it. So the water hasn't changed anything at all. I went ahead to cook it a little bit more, and guys, I'm adding some protein to that in the form of chicken. You can go ahead and add your nuts if you're adding walnut or whatever you want to add if you're going the vegan or vegetarian way. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.